Hello dear students, today we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios. For this we will draw a triangle, right angular triangle ABC, which is right angular at B. First we will name these sides. If we will consider this, if we will consider this angle theta, then this side which is adjacent to this angle theta is known as base of this right angular triangle, and the side which is opposite to this angle, that is BC, this side is known as perpendicular of this right angle triangle, and the longest side of this triangle is known as, that is AC, which is known as hypotenuse of the triangle. So we have three sides in a right angular triangle AB. We have three sides in this right angular triangle. AB is base, BC is perpendicular, and AC is hypotenuse of this triangle. So dear students, we have three trigonometric ratios. First one is sine of theta, that is sine of theta, which is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So you have learned that this perpendicular is BC in this triangle. So our sine theta will be BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So our sine theta will be BC divided by AC in this triangle. Now, second trigonometric ratio, that is cosine of theta. Cosine of theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. So base is equal to AB. Base is equal to AB, and the hypotenuse is equal to AC. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. So our cosine of theta in this triangle will be AB divided by AC. And another trigonometric ratio, that is tan of theta, that is tangent of theta. Tangent of theta, which is equal to perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular divided by base. So our perpendicular in this triangle is BC, that is BC divided by base. Base is AB. Base is AB. Then next trigonometric ratio is cosine. Cosine of theta. Cosine of theta. So dear students, remember one thing. This cosine is always a reciprocal of the sine of theta. So if sine theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, so cosine will be hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Hypotenuse divided by perpendicular, which will be equal to hypotenuse is AC. AC divided by our perpendicular is BC. BC. So we see that our cosine of theta is AC divided by BC, which is of course inverse or reciprocal of BC divided by AC. Now, next trigonometric ratio is secant of theta. Secant of theta, which is equal to, its formula is hypotenuse divided by base. Hypotenuse divided by base. So hypotenuse in this triangle is AC divided by base. So our base is AB in this triangle. So our secant of theta is AC divided by AB. So dear students, once again, you see that this cosine, and that is base divided by hypotenuse, is equal to AB divided by AC. Our secant is equal to AC divided by AB. That is of course a reciprocal of this cosine of theta. So once again, last one, the last of trigonometric ratios is cotangent of theta. Cotangent of theta, which is equal to base divided by perpendicular. So its value will be AB divided by perpendicular, that is BC. So dear students, once again you are seeing here that this cotangent of theta is reciprocal of tangent of theta. This tangent of theta is equal to BC divided by AB. So our cotangent of theta, which is reciprocal of tan of theta, is AB divided by BC. So this was all about the 6 trigonometric ratios which we use in trigonometry. So First one is sine of theta, second one cos of theta, then tan of theta, then cosine of theta, then secant of theta, then cotangent of theta. So this was all about these trigonometric ratios. Thank you very much.